Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios. So, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Scorpios. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Scorpio. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards here, guys. We have 10 of Earth, Messenger of Fire, and 8 of Air. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you are someone who is strong willed and determined. So, whatever you decide for yourself, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship, whatever you think is the right thing, you stand for that and you believe in that and you try to do it your own way. And you are independent and headstrong, guys. You don't want to listen to anyone else. So you have complete trust in yourself, you believe in yourself, and you do what you value the most and what you feel is the right thing. And you are working towards your dreams and goals, trying hard, doing everything possible to achieve all those dreams and ideals for yourself. And maybe in your situation, guys, in this relationship or in your career situation. So maybe in this relationship, guys, there are certain things in this connection, maybe with this person. You have your own positive intentions. You are feeling really inspired, happy when you are with them. And maybe today, if you want to see the truth, if you want to see what is happening in your connection, you just have to see your circumstances as it is, guys, not through your inspiration or not through your confidence or that happiness you feel. Maybe there are certain things that needs to be corrected or needs to be changed in this relationship. So you must have that courage and strength to view your situation face to face. So whatever comes, maybe for some of you, you have a lot of illusions about this love, guys. You feel that you love this person, but maybe they have a different idea about this love. So if you want clarity, guys, Scorpios, you must see things as it is and not see through your personal lens, your relationship, guys, Scorpios. And even in your career situation, guys, you just need to take a step back and think clearly before making some important choices. Because in your career, I see your hard work and dedication paying off, and you're seeing abundance and prosperity coming towards you. But you need to make the right choices today, guys. Make the right decisions today if you want success. So in your circumstances, career, I see positive offers and positive returns coming towards you, Scorpios. So things are going well in your career situation, guys. But in this love, in this relationship, you must look through, look with reality, not through illusions. So you must be careful, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energy. Thank you for watching, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you, guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them, they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling, looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious allowing. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.